welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am Irina, and in this video today we're talking about one of my favorite herbs. The herb is lemon balm, or also melissa as it's been always called in my childhood. I really love this herb because it is a great remedy for my stress reduction, and believe it or not, I've started growing it myself. I'm going to explain why in a second. First of all, this herb has really delightful and delicious lemon scent. What I love to do is just rub my hands against the leaf and then smell it. I swear it's like a real aromatherapy session right there in my backyard. But you don't need to have a backyard. You could just have a pot, regular pot, put it in the window, and you can grow melissa at home. First of all, this is a Norvine herb. And what it could do, it can help you to improve your cognition and mood, but it will not sedate you, say, as valerian root. It could be used for children and adults, and it could really provide fast benefits for anxiety, for insomnia, for indigestion, mental decline, or hyperactivity. So let's talk about its wonderful benefits. The benefits I found were proved by studies, and I am not advocating for you to buy any herbal supplements in any kind of milligrams. I would rather you either grow the plant yourself or buy it freshly dried. Sometimes on Etsy I've seen a lot of sellers. If you could trust those, find a trustworthy one that could really guarantee that it's a freshly dried herb. The reason being is that melissa doesn't really store its health benefits for a very, very long time. And the reason I'm growing it is because it is an amazing idea to enjoy your tea from freshly picked leaves or just from recently dried ones. Of course, you could infuse the oil, make the juice and freeze it, and dry the leaves yourself, but just make sure you don't really store them for a long time. Even the tinctures won't be good for, say, after a couple of years. Right away, I would say that every herb has its side effects, and what works for one person doesn't work for the other. And generally, it is considered safe, but for pregnant women, it is advised to enjoy its benefit under the doctor's supervision. And rarely, it could also aggravate hypothyroid disease. What I really love about it herb is it may boost your cognitive function. I'm not saying that it would just make you a mathematics guru, a mathematics god out of nowhere, but if you need to improve memory and concentration, for example, you are currently working on some project where you need have all powers in, or maybe you're a student who is in the midst of the exams, this tea is a very healthy alternative to, say, coffee when you want to just stay awake. So give it a try. My favorite benefit of this herb is that it can help reduce stress and anxiety. Increased sense of calmness and reduced feeling of alertness were among the benefits that the participants of the study experienced while taking lemon balm. As far as this benefits to relieve anxiety, I would say, of course, if it's something very severe, you shouldn't rely on herbal remedies because they also need time to work. But there were some studies that really proved that as long as as fast as within 1 hour after you take it, you could feel the improvement in the anxiety symptoms. As far as restlessness and such sleep disorders as insomnia, there were also studies that proved that it could really be of a great help, but I would recommend probably mixing it together with the valerian herb and the lemon balm and drink this at night. As a mildly bitter mint family herb, lemon balm can also help with indigestion. Its lemony oils offer a great benefit against cold sores and possibly the flu. There were also studies done to identify whether it can help with menstrual cramps and treat nausea, and a lot of people really claim that it helps. But each of this condition could be a lot more than just an occasional sleeplessness, restlessness. Obviously, you need to always look into the root cause of the problem. But I love to use the herbs that are generally safe, and I love their taste, and especially if I can just grow it myself, knowing where it comes from, I love to use the remedies like this. Of course, I understand that if you have a serious condition, it cannot replace any doctor-prescribed medication or treatment plan. But I find it an amazing herb that helps me to relieve my anxiety and also improves my sleep during the day, say when I am a little overworked, when I don't really have that privilege to just stay longer away from the computer. It helps me to calm down, to sort of breathe out, enjoy a cup of tea, and that also has a very good psychological effect on me that I am relaxing with some cup of tea. Of course, I love other teas, but I just wanted to share this one because lemon balm is probably not the one so often used. It's more likely chamomile, but lemon balm is a great alternative, and it could be mixed in with other herbs because it tastes amazing. If you like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you want to hear about any other herbs, I would be happy to make a video about that. And if you're already using lemon balm or melissa in your daily teas, practices, maybe tinctures, do let us know, and also why are you using it. All the best, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.